How to use CapCut QR codes to log in. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can log in into CapCut using QR codes. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Open up a browser, then head towards the CapCut.com. That's gonna take you to the official website. Now to log in using the QR code, navigate to top right corner, and here you have two options, that is to download or to try CapCut online. So click on try CapCut online. After that you will be directly taken into the login prompt. Here you have various options that you can use to log in. You can continue with Google, continue with your TikTok account, or continue with Facebook. Now to log in into your QR codes, navigate to the fourth option, that is continue with CapCut mobile. Click on it. Now as you can see, a QR code is displayed on your interface. So all you have to do is open up CapCut in your mobile device. Once you open up CapCut in your mobile device, navigate to the bottom right corner and then tap on your profile icon that says Me. So once you're under Me, again navigate to top right corner. There is a three-line icon, click or tap on it. Then you will have an option as Scan. Click on it or tap on it. Then from your mobile device, you have to scan this QR code displayed in your interface or in your laptop. After you scan this QR code, you will see a prompt to confirm your login. So tap on Confirm and follow the on-screen instructions properly. After you confirm it, you will be directly logged into your CapCut account in your laptop. So in this way you can sign in with QR code in CapCut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.